Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to explain about something structural beam design, how we can design a beam step by step. I am going to explain first of all about parameters, what we calculate, what we are normally given. In my further videos, I will explain about Euro codes because this beam is going to be designed according to Euro code, and these Euro codes are normally utilized within European region as well as outside of European region. Especially these codes are utilized in United Kingdom. Okay, so these codes are not so much different to international standard. Let's say US standard or Indian standard or maybe other country standard, for example. There are few things which are slightly different, and I will explain to you guys in my further videos. Okay, first of all, we have some parameters which we should follow or which we should use while designing our beam. So first of all, we have FCK. CK is a little subscript in our F, so which is concrete characteristic strength. We have FYK, as you can see, is steel characteristic strength. We have GK, which express dead load. We have QK, which express live load. M for bending moment. We can also write a BM, or you can say M. We have Vmax, which is shear force. Then we have AST. Small st mean area of steel. Okay, this is the area of steel. Then what we calculate normally? We calculate design ultimate load, which is combination of GK and QK, which is dead load and live load. Before adding these two loads, we have to utilize some factors, dead load factor and live load factor. In our case, we have dead load factor, which is 1.35. It means whatever dead load will be given to us, we will multiply that load by 1.35. Then we have live load factor, which is 1.5. So it means whatever live load will be, we will multiply that live load to 1.5. So these are design ultimate load factors, dead load and live load factor. So at the end, we will add this load and we follow the calculation using this load. Okay, the other thing which is very important, bending moment. The formula for bending moment is standard. I can say, which as you can see on the board, it's WL square over 8. Then the next step, we will calculate maximum shear force, which is shear force. The formula for shear force is Vmax is equal to WL over 8. After that, we will calculate our reinforcement for the beam. Reinforcement required different parameters, which are effective depth. Okay, effective depth, we express that depth with the D. Design bending moment, we also, as I have explained, is a bending moment. It will be the same thing. Then we have design shear force. We express that VED1 and VED2. What is VED? It means that if our beam is rested on any kind of column or wall, then we will have to check the area which is rested on the beam or on the wall or on the column, how much is that distance, which is called VED, one edge to another edge, for example. Then we calculate maximum links spacing. So links are normally when you do shuttering of your beam, you have to provide some links because the longer bar wouldn't be able to stable without these links. So we also calculate how far these links will be apart. Okay, link spacing. The other thing, we will check our beam in deflection. So how much our beam would be deflected if we have any kind of load acting on our beam. Now, what we are normally given before calculating anything, what we are normally given. So we normally given span of the beam. Okay, so these are just given data, effective span, or you can say span. Then we have width of the beam. Then we have depth or height, how high our beam would be. Then we are given dead loads. Then we have live load. Then we get normally dead load factor, which is 1.35. Then we have a live load factor, which is equals to 1.5. So normally these are the fundamental parameters or fundamental things which are given to us. So on based of these things we can calculate or we can design our beam. So we are going to design our beam according to Euro standard, so according to EU standard. So for that reason we will have to use Euro codes. Okay. So in my further video, I will explain what are Euro codes and how we can utilize them. That's it for today. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel.